Hey guys, welcome back, and in today's video, I'll be talking about why Shopify is the best platform to create a free store website. Now, when it comes to creating a free store website, Shopify stands out as the leading platform that offers a range of benefits to aspiring entrepreneurs. So let me tell you why Shopify is the best choice for building your free store website. Also, if at any point you'd like to check out Shopify for yourself, you can benefit from a 3-day free trial, as well as only pay $1 per month for the first 3 months by clicking the link in the description down below. And so I've been testing out some of the most popular e-commerce platforms out there, and I found Shopify to be the best platform overall for a variety of reasons. Starting with customization. Now, Shopify has a massive library of both free and paid themes that'll help your business stand out. So once you start building your online store, you can browse a bunch of theme templates and pick the one that best suits your business. And while you're building your website, you can either add or remove different sections of these templates using Shopify's intuitive editing menu. Now, this menu gives you everything you need throughout your website building process, including adding headers, feature collections, announcement bars, and so on. And to top it all off, all the sections on this website builder operate on a drag and drop basis, which lets you swap locations between different website components seamlessly and gives you more control over the creation process. And you'll also have access to a portfolio of over 20,000 stock images, which makes website creation much easier, especially for smaller businesses that don't have these type of resources. Now, it's also worth mentioning you can check how your website looks on both the desktop version and the mobile version at any time during the creation process. So this way you can see what works and what could be changed before you go ahead and launch your website. Moving on to another great aspect of Shopify, which is its ease of use. Now, the service caters to individuals and businesses of all skill levels, which makes it a universal choice for most people. Now, you don't need to worry about all the technicalities of building a website because everything is taken care of by Shopify. All you have to do is upload your products and customize the website however you see fit, without having to worry about hosting the website, doing maintenance, or any other hoops that you normally have to go through when building an online store. And when it comes to products, you can even create several collections and sub-collections with a couple of clicks and have them displayed on your front page. Now, one of my favorite ease of use features is the AI generated item description. And so instead of thinking of a powerful description for every single item, all you have to do is input the item type and pick a tone for the description, and it'll automatically do it for you. And another great feature is the dropshipping integration. Now, if your business is based on dropshipping, you can link most suppliers to your shop, and it'll automatically upload their products, quantities, and descriptions to your store. And speaking of quantities, Shopify automatically handles your stock management once you input the item quantity, and will display sold out to your customers when the stock drops down to 0. You could even turn this feature off so that your item always appear in stock regardless of how many are actually available. And besides that, with Shopify, you'll get analytics section to show you valuable data such as your website visitor, total sales, returning customer rates, average order value, and more. Now, this feature gives you a more professional outlook to your business and helps you figure out what's working and what's not. Now, moving on to subscriptions. Now, Shopify caters to businesses of all sizes and offers all the essential features across their 3 subscription tiers, which are Basic, Shopify, and Advanced. Now, if you're running a small business and you're just starting out, I highly recommend the Basic tier, as it offers you everything you need to build an online store right from the get-go. Now, as you go up in tiers, you'll get extra features that'll help you scale your online store to match the size of your business. So, for example, the Shopify tier gives you all the essentials offered in the Basic tier on top of professional business reports. It also increases the number of staff accounts from 2 to 5, which gives room for more staff members to manage your online store. Now, similarly, the Advanced Shopify tier will give you much more customizable reports on top of bumping the staff number from 5, to 15. But that's not all Shopify has to offer, as they also have customizable tiers that you can choose from. For example, you have the Shopify Plus tier, which caters to huge businesses, as it offers unlimited staff on top of personalized support. You also have the Commerce Components bundle, where you get to pick and choose the options you want and then request a quote from the Shopify team. And so regardless of the size of your business, with Shopify, you'll always find a plan that fits your needs and preferences. And finally, when it comes to payments, unlike other e-commerce platforms, Shopify does not charge a percentage of each transaction. Instead, they only charge charge a 2% fee when the payment is done through a third-party payment service integrated within your platform. Now, if you have Shopify Payments, you won't be charged third-party transaction fees for orders that are processed through Shopify Payments, ShopPay, ShopPay Installments, and PayPal Express, and you aren't charged transaction fees on manual payment methods such as cash, cash on delivery, and bank transfers. All you have to do is fill out the Shopify payment section and you're good to go. So overall, Shopify is the best e-commerce platform regardless of your business size. Now, they cater to users of any skill level through a plethora of features and have some of the most advanced customization options out there, getting your online store up and running in virtually no time. So that's it for this video. Again, if you want to try out Shopify for yourself, you can check the link in the description down below so you can benefit from a 3-day free trial, as well as only pay $1 per month for the first 3 months. And feel free to comment down below if you have any questions, as I love getting to interact with you guys, and like and subscribe if you found this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.